Whoa. Okay, so I'll show you guys like how the room looks like, but it's like a bit messy, so bear with me. So this is like the toilet, and we got a toilet bowl, and then we got a sink, and then all our things that are very messy. There's like a hair dryer, there's some toothbrush over here, and then behind here it's the shower area. So there's like the shower gel and then the shampoo, and yeah, that's about it. And then we got a folding blanket. Okay, look at the messy table, the wardrobe, and then the bed, and she's hiding back there again. And we got like a bedside table. Okay, morning. I am going to show you the view of how it looks like during the day. So this is the view. Pretty nice, I think. I don't know. So that area is like the beach area, and yeah, that's about it. Nothing much. I don't know. We have troubles with the, what's that called? Hanger. Lol.
Oh, they really like drop it here.
I think they scared someone steal it or something, but it's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna walk to the train station. I mean the tram station. So this is the view. A lot of greeneries. Oh, okay, so we're gonna have breakfast here. Oh, so Anna is open. Menu. You think they have it for breakfast? Sure. We are literally the first one. So only like finger food is available and snacks. Snacks. Just some random finger food, I guess.
I need
laksa, chicken rice.
I think have
Yay, making smoothie. So got a like strawberry. Scan.
hold it.
Then put the cup, right?
Oh, you know it's there first, right? Wait, move. Oh, wait, not.
Show me the inside. Whoa, okay. Nice not? That's it now. Same, we all get the same strawberry. Whoa, look at the waterfall.
No food and drink.
Look at that.
No food and drink.
Doesn't matter lah, honestly. Whoa, so this is like the outdoor view. It's like an open concept hotel kind of thing. So there's like a slide over there, I think. Whoa, so here's like the waterfall area. Yeah, it's so pretty. There's like the pool. So she went to the gym and it's what?
Why are you going there anyway?
Under what? Maintenance. So the gym is there?
Yeah.
Lol, so it's like opposite over there. Like a very tiny corner there. Whoa, so it's like the daytime view of the rooftop. Very, very sunny and bright.
People always use that as a emoji.
？How's your dyeing hair? Bro. Interesting. Yeah, finally daytime can see eh. Last night like cannot see anything much one.
Oh, now they can see.
Yeah.
Well, they say 4 to 5 cannot use the key.
Huh?
Yeah, they are a mosquito thing.
Really?
They don't call the mosquito poison.
Yeah.
Yeah, they cannot use the
Look at that. Okay, so we are going for dinner right now and it's at this place, Tipsy Unicorn over there. watching her TikTok or whatever thing. Ayo, this one also sleeping.